both my turtles. This is our new home. We live in Turtles Mania with my turtle family and my turtle boyfriend. And when you kill turtles, this is what happens. Turtles are so sexy. So, since Weed and turtles are my favorite thing, we're gonna bring home Weed to our turtles. My new fashion of Weed is this. You must roll elegantly and turtle has lots of weed. Oh, look at the shiny weed. Look at them, it's so shiny. It's a weed. Turtle does not like weed. Let's go. Traveling. Giant fortress of weed, and the fortress so sexy. See, look at this fortress. It's so small, it just sucks your dick. Okay, we are coming back to the fortress, and we are going to tell everybody about my fortress turtle. Would you like to know about my fortress turtle, dude? Would you like to know about my No. Okay, so, Mr. Ew, it still has stuff in it. Oh, that would be my stuff. Mr. Yoo-hoo, my baby. Oh, oh my God! Can you feed on me? Here, have a human. Jordan! Be quiet, it's breaking apart. Don't be, ow! Stop hitting my babies! God, I'm going back to my husband. Sexy for what? Sexy for what? Don't you walk away from me, mister. Yeah, turtle. I like you. Yeah. I'm going back to my old husband. My butt. My very old boyfriend, and he sucks red vagina. I'm hugging it. Uh-oh. She caught some flies. Okay. My notebook friends, they're friends, but one's bigger than the other, so I only use one. I use the bigger one, and he hurts really bad. So, now, if I'm kind of fun, I'm going to get some music. You put it in your yard, and then when you use it, it shreds it so that you can just throw it right up and go. Stay out of the TV! Don't touch my TV! My baby's home is still filling. I'm not one of the things. Put the pee hose down, boy! baby. You will stop touching my hose, you stupid son of a...
Oh, look.
You said I fixed the feet, okay? Dude, you're probably on YouTube. Let's have a moment of silence. Turtle waste every day. Just because turtles get killed doesn't mean anything. Turtle shells are not funny to look at. What the hell are you doing?